5 habits that makes you stay positive as a man. You will find out if you have these 5 habits. Any woman in your life will accept you. She will respect you and hold you tight because she knows you are not the kind of man she can misbehave around. One is when you stop complaining. You see that thing that will make you complain? Look at it, remove your eyes, and focus and do something else. When you stop complaining, naturally people will look at you as someone they cannot mess with. Do you know that it's a way you look at somebody? You look at a woman, you look at her from head to toe, she will quiet her mouth because at this time she cannot predict you. Women only predict you when they see that you constantly complain. And if you complain, this is why, as a married man, your wife did something the first time when you got married to her. For some reason, you feel, okay, let me just tell her parents so they will call her to order. If you feel that that thing she did is so grave that you cannot bear it, send her back. Let them teach her again, so that when she's coming back, she know you're not a man. She can come and do something like that too. And if you don't want to, you see, do not complain to her. Do not complain to anybody. Look at her in the eyes fiercely and tell her, I cannot tolerate this. If this happens again, you will go back home. And if it happens, instead of complaining, I told you I don't want it. The last time I warned you. Why did you do it? Why did you not do it? Send her back. Let her know that there is a consequences for her actions, and you're willing to stand on that consequences because you've warned her before. Men who usually complain are men women often take advantage of. Men women see as a nobody, a man they can do anything to and get away with it. So too much complain make you weak instead of strong. Then number 2, master the habit of moving your body. You see, most times you are angry, go out, do exercise, engage yourself in exercise. Exercise will always make you stay positive as a man. Yes, your wife annoyed you, you're not happy, something is not going well. Instead of complaining, go and get a boot. If you like to, if it is hockey, hockey, is it hockey they call it? If it is football, engage yourself in one exercise or the other. By the time you're done with that exercise, you will forget about whatever that happens. So your focus should be about yourself and how you're supposed to take care of your mind yourself so you could stay positive all the time. So too much thinking doesn't help anybody. Too much thinking doesn't solve any issue, doesn't solve any problem. Rather, it makes you to be weak in some of your your dealings, and most of the most of the this thing you're going to do, most of the reaction you're going to give, it makes you weak. So, and if you're weak, you know you lost your masculinity. Then number 3, if you are a man, instead of always feeling negative, it's better you have company, good companies, people you can easily talk to, people you can that will come around, people you share with, good friends who gives good advice. So most of you will say, oh, I don't have friends. Make one, a good person. Now, how do you detect if a person is a good friend? A person is a good friend when they see opportunities and they can discuss it with you. They are not feeling envious of you. Because most times you will see good ones, you will push them away, and you will pick the bad ones. When they hurt you, you will now start complaining. And once a good person that comes into your life and you did not handle them well, when they leave, they don't go to come back to you. They know their worth. So if you must have a friend that is not in any way envious of you. A friend that is willing to share, that will tell you the truth. Oh, this is what you can do to grow. This is how we can do it. They push you with their words, and they are always there to encourage you and lift your spirit. This is how you know you have a friend in them. Do not disappoint them. And naturally, we are fond of hurting people who will stick their heads for us. They are there. They can always be there. Don't take advantage of them. They are your real friends. So if you lose them, you're going to always miss that friendship. And it is difficult having a friend like that again. Then number 4, make sure that most of the time when you're not happy, instead of being negative, take a walk. Take a long drive. Sit under the sun. You can even come out to sit, let fresh air. Just sit alone, relieve moment in your heart. Just sit down or you take a walk. This helps you to always stay positive. Remove your mind from that thing you know. Anything you don't have control over, even if it is a woman, remove your mind from it. Anything you cannot have, just remove your mind that it is not your own. Do not let anything trouble your mind or bother you. Just stay positive all the time. And these are some of the ways you can achieve to stay positive as a man. A woman sees that you are a positive person, she will never ever make you negative. She sees that this guy is maintaining his lane, he just wants to be positive. She will do everything to bring positivity in your life. She will avoid being negative with you because she knows you're not going to buy it. Then the last one, always be grateful. Be at peace with everybody and be kind. There is nothing like when you are kind to people, kindness always finds you. Most of the things you do, you see them working. It is not because most times you deserve them, you merit them. It is because you have a clean heart in you. You're not thinking of evil. You're not thinking of how to hurt anybody. Yes, you can get angry as a human being, but your mind is as white as as um snow. Your conscience is clean. So if your mind is white, your heart is white, that means your conscience will keep on telling you when you're going wrong, when you're doing the wrong thing, how to do the right thing. You will see that being kind naturally, you want to always show people kindness, and every kindness must always have a boundary and a limit so that people don't take advantage and use you because of it. So if you want to stay positive, master these habits, always make it a priority. And the last, let me even add this one, chase your dreams. Do things that will make you concentrate. Your purpose should be your number one priority. Chase them. Be good in what you do. Be consistent. You will see you will always live a very happy life. You will no longer be negative, and you appreciate what people did to you, no matter how small, so that whenever you give to people, they also will appreciate it. And if they don't, because you always appreciate, it helps you to always remove yourself, to stop giving, because you know you deserve more. You deserve to be appreciated. So since you're not being appreciated, you won't ask them for it. Now, funny enough, you see, when somebody refuses to appreciate you for the things you do for them, it greatly shows how they see you, what they think about you, and that thing you did for them, they can never do it for you. That is why they are finding it difficult appreciating you. Sometimes they feel you've overdone. I did not ask, she just did, or he just did. Anything you must do for anybody, let them ask, so they will know that once you do it, you're doing it from your heart, so they can appreciate it. Never do anything for somebody if they didn't ask. You can do, but if you feel taken for granted, make sure they don't take advantage of your kindness. Stop doing immediately. This is only what makes you stay positive. You're not thinking, oh, how I will hurt them. Oh, I did this. They did not appreciate it. Never. Don't even complain. Just leave them like that. Focus on yourself, your peace, and your happiness, matters so much to you. Make it matter by avoiding this. Start doing these things I mentioned. You will be a lot happier. This is Pearl Solution. Don't forget to share, like, and drop your thoughts what you think about this video. Thank you.